Hey there, Playmobil pals. Thanks for tuning in today for this unboxing and review video. Today we're taking a look at Mr. Guy from the Naruto Shippuden manga and cartoon anime series. I know nothing about Guy. In fact, his first name is Mitch. No, wait, it's Might. Might Guy. See, I know nothing about this stuff. And I know nothing about the Naruto franchise. So, you know what? Let's just cut to the opening credits and theme. Welcome back. Today we are taking a look at Might Guy. He is our first Naruto character, and I just hope I can bring justice to any of you anime fans who may be watching, especially Naruto fans, as I know nothing about this franchise, as we could obviously tell from the very beginning of this video. I actually got Guy to use his hair for a custom klicky, but have since then changed my mind. These clickies look pretty neat and make a great addition to the Playmobil Klicky collective. So let's get started and see what Might Guy is all about. But first, what is Naruto? Well, Naruto is the story of Naruto Uzumaki, a young ninja who seeks to become designated the highest and strongest ninja in his village in order to be the Hokage, or village leader. Guy is one of the characters Naruto meets in his daily adventures. Guy has a nice guy pose, a thumbs up, a wink, and winning smile, complete with the proverbial ping, or a little sparkle in his teeth. The pose captures his optimism and confidence, as by striking the pose, he is promising that whatever words accompany it are either true now or will become true in time. Guy is a jonin, or highly experienced and highly skilled shinobi who serve as military captains. 8 pieces altogether. This is set 71111. Looking at the packaging, it's pretty simple. We've got the Naruto Shippuden logo there on the top right, as well as the Playmobil logo on the top left, and our klicky dominating the left side there. So again, this is our first of a few Naruto figurines that we're going to be unboxing for you. We are only unboxing Guy today, but hopefully the ones I get, they will interest me the most. Hopefully they'll interest you just as much. Alright, so that knocks out the front of the package. So let's go ahead and turn this over to the side. We do get a cartoon or animated version of what Might Guy looks like in the cartoon and manga series comic book. On the other side, we have pretty much the barcode and the QR code. The back of the box has the standard choking hazard warnings in various languages. Also, it shows our individual pieces photographed individually. That was terrible, but we do have our klicky, and he's got a pair of nunchucks, and he comes with a stand. I believe all of the Naruto styled klickies have a stand that come with them, since they're more collectible. Here's the top, and here's the bottom, and here's the part where we unbox our klicky for you. Let's do it. Look. This is cool. All right, I know I don't normally show these, but because this is so different, you guys are going to see it today. And so am I. So, right away, we have a little pamphlet here that has all of the available Naruto figures. And there's quite a lot of them. I'm actually impressed by how many there are. Wow. You know what? When I first heard this was coming out, never having watched the series or read the comic book, I thought maybe there's like maybe 5 to 8 characters here. But yeah, this is an impressive 24 figures here. So then you get this little code here for your phone, so you can learn, I'm guessing, a little bit more about the show. And here's our figure. There's Guy looking through the plastic bag here. Okay, and we're back, and here he is holding his nunchucks. I am a little intrigued by his eyes. It almost looks like the They just overpainted it, but I'm not too worried. But there's his stand. Let me zoom back out here. Here's a stand that he comes with. We're just gonna slide his feet onto there, and then you can display him on your shelf or on your desk, wherever you might want to keep your Naruto figures. Guys, am I even pronouncing that right? Who watches this show? Tell me a little bit more about him. I'm curious. It would just mean a lot if a fan actually contributed to the video in that respect. Well, this is a pretty solid figure, I guess. I mean, there's not a whole lot else to say. I mean, his color scheme's pretty cool. Not ever having watched the series, although I'm sure it's no different looking than that. Yeah, I just don't have a whole lot to say about it. The only thing I'm just really concerned about is his eyes. I mean, his eyes are just so, I don't know. It just seems like too much. But maybe that's supposed to be how it's done. I just don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. But anyway, that concludes our unboxing and review of Naruto Shippuden's guy figure. Hope you guys liked it. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you haven't already for future Playmobil content. You can also find us on Instagram. Follow us at playmo.af. We got more stuff on the way, guys, so stay tuned. All right, everyone have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.